What's up, Sunny fam? This is a 15-minute kickboxing HIIT workout. Let's get started. So just boxer stance right here, just boxer shuffle. Take it to the side, we're gonna squat. In 3, 2, let's squat, take it down and up, down. That's it. Super low. 4 more, just 4. Here's 3, 2, squat jack. Let's go, take it down, up, down. 4 more, just 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, back to that boxer shuffle. We're gonna take it over to the other side. Hands are up, just guard that face. Just side to side, that's it. We're gonna go back to those squats. 8 more, here's 8, 6, 3, 2, 1, squat, down. Four more, just 4, 3, 2, 1, squat jumps, down, double hop, yep. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks. Take it back to the center. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, regular squat, down. That's it. Just a few more, super low. 4, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, back to that boxer shuffle. Guard that face. We're gonna start off with jabs. Simple jab, hap, there, punch. That's it, nice and slow, out. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, speed it up, let's go. 4, 3, we cross, cross, hold, cross, plant, yep. Hold it. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, yep. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, pick it up. Let's go. Yep. Just one right after the other. 8 more, here's 8, 6, 3, 2, hooks. Hook, hold, hook. Good, pivot. 4, elbow up. 2, pick up the pace. Hook, hook, hook. Front foot is pivoting. That's it. 8, 6, 3, 2, hook, right, hook, left, hook, hook, hook. Elbows up. Yes. 4, 3, 2, uppercuts. Up, up, yep. That's it. Work that core. 4, 3, 2, pick up that pace. Up, yep. Keep it. 8 more, just 8, 6, 3, 2, 1. Boxer shuffle. Take it over. Other side. Just hold. We start with jabs. 3, 2, 1. Jab, jab, jab. That's it. 4, 3, 2, pick it up. Jab. Yep. Take it straight out. 4, 3, 2, we cross, cross, hold, cross. So back foot is pivoting. Yes. 4, 3, 2, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, hold. Yep. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. Let's go. 4, 3, hooks, hook, hold, hook, front foot pivots. Yes. That's it. Just 4, 3, 2, pick it up. Let's go. Just one right after the other. 4, 3, 2, uppercuts. Let's go. Take it up, up. 4, 3, 2, pick it up. That's it. Back to center. Just 8, 7, 6. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, you guys, we're gonna do our little first HIIT round, all right? So we're gonna come into plank position, jump out into plank, come up, jab, cross, jab, cross. We got 30 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Take it out, come in. Jab, cross, take it down, up, jab, cross, jab, cross. Good. Keep it going. That's it, you guys. 10 seconds. Take it out, up. One more. Out, in, jab, cross. That's it. Just hold. All right, we're gonna work our lower body some kicks. So just starting off with knees. So come up, take it up, yes. Leaning forward, that's it. You strike with that knee, up, yep. Really pull it down, boom, up, perfect. 4 more, here's 4, just 3, 2, we're gonna take it into a front kick. So kick, yes, kick, up, work through, up, yep. Just 4, here's 3, 2, last one, perfect. Just shuffle it out. All right, we're gonna go into a front kick, into a back kick. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Take it forward and kick. That's it, up, look back, strike it. Yep, kick forward and back, up, back, good. Work that glute, up. 2 more. 1 more, kick. That's it. We're gonna do the other side. Forward kick, back kick. Forward and back. Forward. Look back over that shoulder. Yes. Kick. Working those glutes. Kick. Boom. 2 more. Let's go. That's it. Jumping jacks. All right, we're gonna do 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Simple. 4, 3, 2, take it up. Arms up, yes. That's it, take those arms up overhead. You guys are halfway there. 15 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, good. Boxer shuffle. Hands up. So here's what's up. You're gonna plant that foot, Here we go. We're gonna go into working our roundhouse kicks right there. So take it forward. That knee comes up and kick. All right, let's go. Kick, kick. Working the outside of the glutes. Perfect. Kick. 2 more. Up. Last one. Nice. Boxer shuffle. We do the other side. So drawing that knee up, that's where you're at. Then you kick that leg out. Kick. 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 You can add a little shuffle in there. Kick. 3 more. Here's 3, 2. Last one. Shuffle. That's it. All right. Coming back to that upper body. We're gonna go jab, cross, hook, hook, up, up. So all 6 punches, one right after another. Then back to our boxer shuffle in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jab, cross, hook, hook, up, up. Jab, cross, hook, hook, up, up. 2 more. 1 more. Up, up, good. Take it side to side. That's it. All right, we're going into 30 seconds. Jab, cross, working those shoulders. In 3, 2, let's go. Quick, ha. Good, up. So it's like you're punching the other person's face, right? You don't want it out here, here, ha. 15 seconds. Final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Hold it. Yes. Good, good. All right. We're gonna do some jump squats. So just simple jump squat, 30 seconds. Get that heart rate up there in 3, 2, let's go. Jump. All the way down. Ten seconds to go. One more. That's it. Good, good. All right, we're gonna go into hooks for power. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hook, hook, hook. So here's where you twist. You pivot. It all comes from the hip. That's your power. Yes. Work. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boxer shuffle. That's it. Turn it to the front. All right, you guys. We're gonna finish with some uppercuts. Quick pace. We start with power, we finish with quick. In 3, 2, let's go. Up, up, up. Good. Bring that fist back to your face. Protect it. In 4, 3, 2, pick it up, up. Yes, that's it. Work your core. Up, up. 10 seconds. Let's go. Up, up. Now pick it up. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, you guys, we're gonna finish up real quick. Coming on your back. I want a full sit up. You're gonna come up. You're doing jab cross at the top. In 3, 2, let's go. Jab cross. Take it back. Jab cross. Perfect. Let's go. Come on, finish strong. Just a few more. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Hold it up, side to side. Boom. Block that face. Yes. Just duck. Yep. 8, 7, 6. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Awesome job. You guys absolutely killed it. Thank you so much for doing this fun kickboxing HIIT workout. And I will see you guys for more next time.